Okay, this is not the fanciest video, but just wanted to share a quick little design update that I did to the Pee Wee bike. So if you ordered one, you can expect this or know this is coming. So in the original design, this fin was attached into these holes with a screw and then a zip tie, but it was just super delicate. You know, when you put your leg over, if you hit it, it would, you could crack it pretty easily. So I redesigned it using magnets. So now this just snaps on there, super easy. You hit it, you know, it's no big deal. It just falls off and you put it back on. So when you get the kit now, you can expect, you'll see one of these. You can take that's a protective coating off, little film. You just take that off and then that's that guy right there, that focus. There we go. It's that guy right there. And then I also include the two magnets with adhesive so you can put those on yourself, and then you could pop the fin right into there. And then you could have your magnet fin if you like, which I kind of recommend. But I'm also including the original mounting style too, so that you can have it kind of permanently affixed on there too if you want. So that's it, quick little update. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments.